Now we're going to look at how to take data from a story problem and put it into a stem and leaf plot. Anthony recorded the number of points scored by his favorite football team in the regular season: 9, 21, 7, 13, 6, 14, 17, 7, 3, 24, 14, 10, 41, 14, 27. Our first step, just like a line plot, is going to be right in order from least to greatest. Even if a number shows up more than once, we will still record it each time. Okay, so to write this in order from least to greatest, I have 3, 6, 7, 7, 9, 10, 13, 14, 14, 14, 17, 21, 24, 27, and 41. Then I'm going to draw my stem and leaf plot. So the stems represent the number of tens that are in the number, and the leaf represents the number of ones. So when I first look at my data in order from least to greatest, I see a few different numbers that have no tens. This means they're anywhere from 0 to 9 because they don't have any number in the tens place. So because that is the lowest number of tens, that's what I'm going to start with. So I'm going to write 0 here for the number of tens that are available for the stem. Now, the highest number of tens for the stem would be 4. So I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I've already recorded my tens place. The leaf only represents the ones place, so I only need to write the digit that is in the ones place. And similar to writing it from least to greatest, I still want to record the digit every time it shows up. So I see 3, 6, 7, 7, 9. So you can see here I recorded 7 both times that it appeared. Now I'm going to look at all my numbers that have a 1 in the tens place and then record the digit for the leaf. So 10, I already have the 1 represented here, and I would just record 0 for the number of leaves because there is a 0 in the ones place. So I have 0, 3, 4, 4, 4, 7. I'll continue with my stem of 2. I have 21, 24, and 27. Now you may be wondering, why did I write 3 here even though I don't have any number in the 30s? Our stem and leaf plot, because it needs to go from 0 for our number of stems to 4, I still have to include this in the table. I just will not record anything here because I don't have a leaf that goes with this stem. So I'll continue down. For a stem of 4, my leaf is 1. So now I can see I've recorded all of my leaves in the stem and leaf plot. This is what the data would look like. Then I can continue to ask, what was the fewest points scored? And you would just look at the least number that is in the chart, which would be 3. What is the greatest number of points scored in a game? And you would look at the last number. Here it would be 41. And then what number of points occurred the most often? And we can see that 14 occurred 3 times, and that was more than other points. So 14 points were scored the most, more often than the other points. I hope this helped, but please send me any questions you still have about recording your data in a stem and leaf plot.